Hi, my name is Nikki. I am one of the teachers in LatinQuarter. This is a short animated video we have prepared to explain and illustrate how to execute and combine the pivot turn and quarter turn in the Quickstep dance. In the pivot turn, the actual pivot in the pattern rotates a full 360 degrees or as close to that as you can. It is not necessary to do the full 360 degrees, as you can adjust the second turn to compensate for any shortfall necessary to maintain your line of dance. The lead's pivot turn starts with stepping diagonally forward on his left. The lead executes the second slow in line with the lady while starting to turn clockwise for the start of the pivot turn. In the first quick, finishing the lead's 360 degree clockwise rotation, pivoting on his left, finishing with his feet apart. In the second quick, the lead closes his right foot to his left. Making a 360 degree pivot with the partner in hold is difficult and takes practice. Thank you for viewing, and we wish you health, wealth and happiness for the future.